Up with Joy today.
Yeah, she's here with a recipe for a pink lemonade cocktail that sounds refreshing with or without spirits. We can make these kid-friendly for you and young kids
Pregnant
at home.
friendly.
Yeah.
Here's Joy in her kitchen with more.
Hi everyone, I've got a great summer cocktail for you today. It's my pink lemonade, and let me show you how we make it. I've got here 2 ounces of vodka. I'm just going to add it to my cocktail shaker. Then I'm going to add about an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. I've got 5 ounces of Aperol. A little less, well, about a quarter of an ounce of Lillet Rose. I found this really great measuring cup at the grocery store, and it gives you small increments in ounces, so that's great. Last thing is some simple syrup, and I made this on top of the stove, just equal parts sugar and equal parts water. For this, I made 1/2 cup sugar, 1/2 cup of water. But if you're making more cocktails, make more. Let it come to a boil, make sure the sugar is dissolved, and then let it cool a bit before making your cocktail. All right, that's everything for this. We're gonna give it a shake. Pour it out into our cocktail glass. I'm gonna top it with just a little club soda. Give that a stir. And then I'm going to garnish it with lemon twist. This is a pretty cocktail, and it will be delicious for the summertime. For the recipe, go to joymccabe.com, or you can find the recipe on WBIR.com. Cheers, everyone.